In today's fast-paced retail environment, a dependable and uninterrupted point-of-sale system is critical for corporate success. However, intermittent internet connectivity issues or unstable networks can disrupt sales activities and severely affect client satisfaction. Shopify POS provides a unique solution to this problem. Offline mode. Shopify POS enables shops to continue serving their customers effortlessly by allowing them to conduct transactions and save data even when there is no internet connection. In this video, we will look at the relevance and benefits of offline mode in Shopify POS, as well as how it transforms retail operations. Embracing uninterrupted sales. The retail industry operates in a wide range of locales, from bustling city centers to isolated regions with inadequate internet connectivity. In such cases, the typical reliance on an internet-based POS system can be a substantial impediment. Offline mode in Shopify POS removes this restriction, allowing retailers to conduct business regardless of network availability. Retailers may execute transactions, take payments, and issue receipts in offline mode even when an internet connection is unavailable or inconsistent. This function guarantees that sales activities run efficiently, avoiding downtime and optimizing income potential. Customers can make their purchases without interruption, resulting in a great shopping experience and customer satisfaction. Data synchronization and security. Offline mode in Shopify POS extends beyond simple transaction processing to offer extensive data synchronization capabilities. When an internet connection is restored, Shopify POS instantly syncs the offline sales data with the central system, guaranteeing that no information is lost. This seamless synchronization ensures that shops have accurate and up-to-date sales data at all times. Data security is a major concern for businesses, and the offline mode in Shopify POS successfully addresses this issue. While offline, the system securely retains sales data on the device, ensuring that sensitive customer information and transaction details are secured. Offline mode reduces the dangers of data breaches and unauthorized access by reducing dependency on constant internet connectivity. Flexibility and mobility. One of the most major advantages of offline mode in Shopify POS is the freedom it provides retailers. It frees them from the constraints of being linked to a specific location with reliable internet connectivity. Whether it's a pop-up shop, a trade exhibition, or an outdoor event, retailers may take their business wherever and offer customers without restrictions. The mobility feature of offline mode enables shops to engage in face-to-face conversations with customers and create a personalized purchasing experience. They can easily move throughout the store or event location, serving customers, displaying products, and processing transactions on the spot. This dynamic strategy increases customer interaction and strengthens brand loyalty. Furthermore, the offline option in Shopify POS is especially beneficial for enterprises with many locations. When one store's connectivity fails, retailers can effortlessly switch to offline mode without interrupting the overall sales process. This adaptability ensures that business operations continue uninterrupted, regardless of individual store connectivity issues. Inventory management and insights. Inventory management is a vital component of retail operations, and offline mode in Shopify POS contains sophisticated functionality to satisfy this need. Retailers may continue tracking inventory levels, creating sales data, and managing goods even when they are offline. This functionality eliminates stock irregularities and guarantees that shops have complete visibility into their inventory at all times. Furthermore, offline mode enables shops to obtain useful data about customer behavior and sales patterns even in places with little or no internet connectivity. This data may be evaluated later when an internet connection is available, allowing businesses to make informed decisions about product assortment, marketing methods, and inventory restocking.